Lagi ka na lang bang naglalabas ng pera sa negosyo mo? I suddenly remembered one of my very first clients. Bumibili lang ako sa grocery nila noon, tas bigla sabi niya habang nagbabayad ako, "Migs, nagtataka ako. Malakas naman yung benta namin everyday, pero napansin ko, labas ako ng labas ng pera pambayad sa supplier. Ba't ganun?" So, we fixed her records, created a proper accounting process, at nung makita na namin yung numbers, that's when we realized na ang gulo ng cash handling nila. Halo-halo yung personal and business expenses, walang maayos na cash reconciliation at ginagawang wallet ang kaha both for business and personal expenses. Walang proper controls, walang monitoring, walang cash strategy. But when we started accounting for her money properly, she became a wiser entrepreneur. Naging conscious na siya sa bawat galaw ng pera ng business niya, and she gained better control of it. Mas organized, mas disiplinado, at mas strategic. Ang good news, her bank balance slowly recovered, at imbes na laging palabas, meron na siyang pera na itatabi for sustainability and business growth. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.